I'm Teresa Strasser, and you're on the list. As consumers, we've got 99 problems, and 99 is one. Connor Knight looks at one of the most popular pricing tricks. Connor, what's the deal?
You can't get much for a penny these days. It's essentially worthless. The U.S. Mint actually loses money manufacturing the penny. But 1 cent still makes a significant difference when it comes to how likely you are to spend your money. Look at almost any ad and you'll see the penny in play. $9.99, $5.99, $3.99. Apple's hugely successful iTunes store was built on songs that cost 99 cents. There are entire stores devoted to selling only 99-cent products. This 10-piece cookware set from Macy's is priced at $4.99.99. Now the difference between that and $500 is just a penny, nothing. But psychologically, it's everything. Why? Well, the generally accepted theory involves the left digit effect. We read left to right, so we pay more attention to that first number. But there's another interesting historical theory about the prominence of penny prices. Cashiers, afraid clerks were stealing from them, wanted to force the clerks to open the drawer to make change. Otherwise, you could just hand them a buck, they'd hand you the product, and never record the sale. Now though, especially in the age of credit card transactions, that doesn't really hold water. Gumroad.com, a portal for online sellers, recently analyzed the conversion rate for all of its products. Across the board, prices that ended in 99 cents resulted in more purchases than prices that ended in $1. In Canada, where they've gotten rid of the penny, advertisers still list prices as ending in 99 cents. Even The Economist, a magazine geared towards people who are super smart about economics, charges $6.99 per issue. It's the oldest trick in the book, and it still tricks us every time. So before you go shopping, remind yourself of the power of 99-cent pricing. Being penny wise is a good thing.